What if you could work from home, use AI to do much of the heavy lifting, and potentially earn $50, $100, or even $250 per hour? And no, you don't necessarily need computer science degree or years of coding experience. In this video, I am breaking down 5 high-paying AI jobs you can do from home, what each job involves, and where you can start looking for opportunities. Let's get into it. Make sure to check out the video's description if you are interested in a more detailed and written article of this video from our website. So at the number 5 position, we got AI prompt engineering job. Prompt engineers help improve the way AI system responds by creating, testing, and refining instructions that produce better and more accurate results. According to the figures shown in the original research, prompt engineering can pay around $50 per hour, with experienced professionals potentially earning significantly more. The good news is that coding is not necessarily required, so even if you have no idea with coding, you can learn this job. Although having some technical knowledge can definitely help. You can also find freelance opportunities through platforms such as Contra, where companies and clients post remote projects. The key is to build practical skills, learn how different AI models work, practice writing effective prompts, and create examples that demonstrate what you can actually do. The fourth job is AI data trainer, and this can be one of the easier ways to get started. AI companies need people to evaluate AI responses, label information, compare output, and provide feedback that helps make AI systems better. Landing an entry-level job as an AI data trainer, you can be making roughly $20 to $40 per hour, while specialized work can potentially pay considerably more. Platforms mentioned in the source include Data Annotation and Telus International, where remote AI-related projects may be available, so make sure to check the website out. And this is actually the most important part. You don't necessarily have to start as an expert. You can begin with general tasks, build experience, develop a specialization, and then qualify for higher paying opportunities. The third job is AI automation specialist, which is already quite popular. This is one of my favorite because businesses are actively looking for ways to automate repetitive work. So as an AI automation specialist, you help businesses use AI and automation to handle tasks such as marketing, lead management, emails, customer support, and content workflows. Tools like Make can help you connect different apps and create automated workflows without needing to build everything from scratch. Like for example, you can create a system that automatically collects leads, organizes them, sends follow-up emails, and updates a company's CRM. The actual opportunity here is not limited to getting a traditional job, but you can also offer AI automation as a service to businesses and charge per project or on a recurring basis. All will depend on you. Runner-up, AI content specialist. If you enjoy writing, social media, or content creation, this one could be worth exploring. An AI content specialist uses AI tools to help businesses produce content faster, from blog posts and social media content to email campaigns and other marketing materials. The transcript site typically rates around $20 to $40 per hour, with the potential to earn much more as you become experienced and manage multiple clients. The advantage with this is actually the level of productivity it offers. Instead of creating everything manually, you can use AI to speed up research, brainstorming, drafting, editing, and repurposing content. You can look for opportunities on freelance platforms such as Upwork or build your own service and work directly with businesses. Finally, we have the highest paying role on this list, AI and machine learning engineering. Now, unlike some of the other jobs we have discussed previously, this one does require significantly more technical knowledge. Machine learning engineers build and improve systems that allow computers to learn from data and make predictions or decisions. The source transcript cites high earning potential, including remote positions paying well above $50 per hour, with some experienced roles reaching much higher compensation. The path into this career takes more time because you will generally need to learn areas like programming, mathematics, statistics, data science, and machine learning. But if you are willing to invest in those skills, the earning potential can be substantial. So that is my own personal review of my 5 high-paying AI jobs you can potentially do from home. At number 5, we have AI prompt engineering, followed by AI data trainer. Third position, we have AI automation specialist. Second position, we got AI content content specialist, and finally, machine learning engineer. Just remember, you don't have to master everything at once. Pick one skill, learn it, practice it, build a portfolio, and start applying for freelance projects or remote opportunities. AI isn't just changing existing jobs, it is also creating new opportunities for people who know how to use it. If this video helps you, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, comment below which AI job would you try first. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.